What is up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me some funny news headlines, and we're going to start with asking it to make some Florida man headlines. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, let's have a little fun here. So, I'm going to say, give me a Florida man news headline. How about not A? Give me 5. Sure. Here are 5. Florida man arrested after trying to steal a 6-foot-tall chicken statue. Oh my God, these are real. Florida man breaks into alligator farm and jumps into pool with crocodiles. January. Florida man arrested for impersonating a police officer to get free food at a Chick-fil-A. Is that real? Hold on, I'm curious. Doesn't look real. So these don't look real. Florida man accused of stealing $1 million worth of collector coins from his own father. Florida man steals bulldozer, digs trench to steal neighbor's driveway. I mean, they could have fooled me. Let's see. Give me 5 Florida woman news headlines. Florida woman arrested for riding on top of a car on a highway. Florida woman faces charge after stealing a police car and crashed into ditch. Florida woman caught trying to smuggle iguanas in her bra at the airport. Florida woman arrested after attacking Burger King employee over French fries. That I believe. Florida woman who faked cancer to solicit donations sentenced to 5 years in prison. That's terrible. Is that real? Wait, that is real. That's real and terrible. What about give me 5 news article titles, or no, headlines, I should say. Headlines about New York man. New York man. New York man arrested for an alleged involvement in $70 million crypto scam. Wow. New York man's honest lawyer. I mean, these aren't really New York things. I mean, I guess it comes Ponzi schemes, lots of high dollar scams is what you. I'm not going to go into it. Let's see. What about New York woman? New York woman sends sprint for 20. Yeah, it's all about Ponzi schemes in New York. Embezzlements, Ponzi schemes. I guess Florida's more about physical violence, and New York's more about financial. Oh, hate crime. That's not good. Anyway, interesting topic. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and thanks a lot.